284, 284, 285, 6, 7, 287, 8, 9, 290, 5, 6, 7, 9, 79, yes or no?
Mortlake agents conducted the first of their store sales on Thursday, and Hayden Lanyon joins me from Elders. Hayden, 3,800 cattle in the yards, and a very good line up through the grown steers, weaners and heifer yarding, and a wonderful yarding of joint heifers at the back end.
Yeah, it was good right through, Murray, and I've really got to commend all the vendors that were involved in the inaugural first sale here. You know, the quality of the cattle that were yarded and brought in were exceptional. A lot of cattle were carrying a lot of weight, and they, particularly in the grown steer section, they sold very, very well at the start.
Yeah, you in that grown steer section, you had 4 or 5 foodlots wanting to get involved, and some of those foodlots we generally don't see in the marketplace. A big tick for this facility.
Yeah, and look, I think they've, you know, some of these guys have been involved with the couple of fat sales or primary markets that we've had on a Monday since opening. They've been quite impressed with the facility, so they're more than happy to come back and buy feeder cattle out of here and export sales, which is great.
Yeah, black cattle there in the 260s to 275, 278, and Herefords discounted by about 10 cents. So, you know, that's about, you know, par or just under recent rates.
Yeah, about very similar over the last sort of 2 or 3 weeks anyway. Murray, it's been, the market is where it is. It's trended the way it has, and I don't think we'll see it any different from today. Look, there was probably the odd isolated sale that certainly exceeded expectation, but plenty of weight. They're still returning relatively good dollars per head, so which is good.
Yeah, weaners, good weaner market, steer market here today, and heifers also. Most of the steers $2.80 to $3 with an odd pin higher.
Yeah, I thought steers probably were on par with what's been happening everywhere else. I thought our heifer sale was exceptional. There were some very isolated sales that, you know, exceeded into, you know, 320 or 30 cents a kilo, obviously to go back to for breeders, but overall it was pretty similar to what's been happening everywhere else, but you know, it's just a really good quality line of cattle.
Yeah, generally speaking, on those lines of cattle, you'd say that you sell cattle from Mount Gambier to Bairnsdale, the coast to the river and beyond.
Yeah, it was a fairly big spread. We had a lot of adjustment cattle from late last year, particularly out of the Gippsland area, so they all come back through the system today. And to be honest, they sold quite well. They'd be normally sold up into the mountain sales next month or in March, and you know, they were happy to bring them through this facility, and you know, they were quite pleased. I thought they sold quite well.
Yeah, disappointing part of the market, unfortunately, was the PTIC heifer market, and a few cows through there too at the same time. You hit an unexpected hurdle that could have been $200, $300, $400 under where you thought that you might have been selling those cattle at.
Yeah, certainly. I thought it was quite a great opportunity for buyers to lock into a really quality yarding of tested females. You know, we had 2 feature lines that made up of 80–90% of the you know, the pre-tested females, and you know, we were expecting north of $2,000. They certainly made well and truly under that, so 16, 17, 1800. You can buy some real quality females right on the point of cattle.
Yeah, well, you know, first sale's over with, and it was a big one, and the facility no doubt has triumphed, and the cattle themselves have been well treated. That's the most important thing.
Certainly have, Murray.